In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect custom domain to Getresponse. Connecting your own domain inside Getresponse helps you use branded links and settings tied to your business instead of relying on a default domain. Before you begin, make sure you know where your domain is registered because you will need to update settings at your domain registrar. First, log into your Getresponse account. Look to the top area of the screen for your profile icon. Click the profile icon, then select Manage Account. This takes you into the account level settings, where domains are managed. Next, in the menu on the left, find and click Domains. This section is where Getresponse lets you add and verify domains you own. Once you are on the Domains page, click Add Domain. Now enter your domain name. Type the domain exactly as you own it, using the correct spelling and extension, such as yourdomain.com. After you enter it, click Add. Getresponse will then generate a set of name server values for your domain. Take a moment to copy the name server values provided. These are important because they tell your domain where to look for DNS management. Copy them carefully and keep them ready, since you will paste them into your domain registrar in the next part. A useful tip is to double-check that each name server line is complete and that there are no extra spaces when you copy and paste. Now log into your domain registrar, which is the service where you purchased or manage your domain. Once you are in your registrar dashboard, locate the area for DNS or name server settings. You are looking for a setting that lets you change name servers, not just individual DNS records. Replace the current name servers with the name server values you copied from Getresponse. Then click Save in your registrar to confirm the change. Keep in mind that name server updates can take some time to propagate across the internet, so do not worry if it does not verify instantly. Finally, go back to Getresponse and click Check for Records. Getresponse will look for the updated name server settings and confirm the connection when it detects them. And that is all there is to it.